Tyvo Grill and Cafe. Oh, this one is really nice and so cool. My brother found this or discovered this, so we went and checked it out. Look at this awesome view of the cityscape. Yep, you can have your frap, and here they have a hanging bridge. So that's pretty cool, right? Inside they have like different stalls as if it's like for different categories like shakes and pastry stuff. So yep, let's start with the ways coming from EDSA, corner Ortigas. Here you can see Robinson's Galleria. Go straight to Ortigas Avenue. We go towards the east, keep going straight. We pass Green Meadows there, as you can see. And then, of course, Libis or C5. We keep going straight. Yep, keep going straight along Ortigas Avenue, all the way to Ortigas Avenue Extension. We keep going straight here. As you can see here, Felix Avenue. So this is Junction, Cainta, the crossing. So keep going straight past that. And here on the Y junction, wait, where is it? To go up more here on the Y junction, if you turn right, it's going to Taytay or SM Taytay. We take the left, going to Antipolo proper. Yep, we keep going up. We pass Brookside subdivision, keep going straight, and by the Y junction, right before Inare Center here, we choose the right turn, and then there by the corner where we turn right is Clean Fuel. We make a right turn there, and you're at the village where Tyvo is. All right. Yep. So you go inside there, and then you're gonna get there to Tyvo. But if you're coming from Marcos Highway, it's also here from this section because we're coming from Valley Golf. So here is Robinson's Place and Polo. This one here, the straight line is actually Sumulo. So on the left side is Marcos Highway. We'll talk about the page later. Right, here's the view. We just parked here. Look at that, it's Tyvo. Oh, I see the hanging bridge right there. Oh yeah. Oh, the moon is covered by the clouds. So yep. Let's go upstairs. The parking space is really good here, so there's no problem with that. Here we found our place on the table, overlooking, and that's the airport right there. Yep. Here's the view we just got here. Yeah, we got the menu. Yes, here are the orders. Of course, we're gonna get the king fries. You know, me and my brother always gonna have fries. Also, we have this Tyvo spring rolls, which is meat filling, so it's like actually a Shanghai, so that's pretty good. Yes, and of course, chili dynamite. And then here, our main course is pork adobo for sharing, and also we got one each of garlic rice, garlic plus, so it's pretty good. Yes, you know me, iced coffee, no sugar. And my brother, iced Spanish latte. Yep. And here's our king fries, the chili dynamite. And wait, let me show you this. It's interesting. Look, this plane here is about just took off, and these two planes are about to land. So yep, this is an interesting view, right? Me and my brother love planes, so we just started observing that. It's pretty interesting. Yep, and here's our food. Here's the Shanghai or the spring rolls. That looks good, right? It tastes even better. Here's the chili dynamite and the king fries. I love the chili dynamite because it's not over fried, so you can actually taste the chili. It's pretty good and it has good mayo. Here's my drink, my brother's. Oh yeah, this is a good appetizer. We chose this so that we get to start with the appetite, and it's actually good because by the time our food here arrived, oh, we were already craving to eat it all up. Here we haven't really even reached half of the appetizers because the serving is pretty good and pretty hefty. So yes, this is a win in my book. Yep, the garlic rice here looks so good. Yes, it tastes even better. Yeah. And here, another shot of the view. Look at that. The adobo is actually pretty good and pretty decent. I loved it. It's much like adobo in Bulacan. So yep. And yeah, here, look at the view again. Oh, there's less planes, but there's a plane there that just took off and about to land. The other one is about to land. And I love it. They play soft jazz music, so it's a perfect ambience to relax. Yes, it's a good place. My brother just came back from the terrace, just taking a video. As you can see there, the pastry stuff and the shakes, they all have a different stall, like as if it's a different store, but it's all the same place. It just gives a good experience for that. That looks really nice, right? Yeah, but you can see the hanging bridge right there on the upper left side. Yeah, there's lots of people there. Of course, it's a good view. Oh, but I just love looking at the city like this. This is just so relaxing. So this is a place that you guys gotta visit. It's just so so good. And yes, I took some shots earlier when there's a bit more clouds. Here it is. Look at that. The reason why I took photos of this because look at the clouds. Makes the sky look really really awesome. And of course the city skylight or the city lights looks just amazing, right? Okay, now let's go to their page. Here's their page. You gotta check it out. They have the awesome good stuff, and here you can see the old videos, the reels, and then down here they have a lot of events. Like here, you have a staycation there. There's a pool at the terrace. They had the Beyblade tournament. They hosted it. It's pretty cool. Like to host a tournament at a place like this is just perfect, right? Good food, good place, and good view. Yep. So look at the photos here. Let's go back here. Okay. You definitely enjoy all the food. Here, look at this. All this it's kitty stuff, but I look like that. Look at this kare kare and all the good stuff. Yes, you can click here for more adventures, but look at those stuff, right? Yeah. It's a fun place to go, and we're glad we checked out Tyvo Grill and Cafe. So you guys gotta check it out, all right? Yeah. Thanks for watching and subscribe this week and check out all the other adventures here. All right. Yep.